Welcome to the Wealth Building Challenge, $1,000 in 1 week actionable guide rocket. The journey to achieving financial independence is often riddled with myths. It's time we busted these myths and got started on your personal wealth building journey. We live in an age of immense opportunities. You can earn money from countless avenues. The challenge is to identify these opportunities and use them to your advantage. The goal of this video is simple: help you earn $1,000 in 1 week. This might seem daunting, but with the right strategies and a little hard work, it's possible. Let's start with the basics. What are your skills? If you're good at something, there's always a way to monetize it. Remember, in the digital world, your market isn't limited to your geographical location. Next, let's look at some quick ways to earn money. Freelancing, affiliate marketing, online tutoring, these are some options that can help you bring in some quick cash. Investing is another way to build wealth. Though it might not bring immediate results, in the long run, it can substantially increase your wealth. Remember, no wealth building strategy is complete without savings. The key is to balance your earnings and savings effectively. So, are you ready for the challenge? Remember, wealth building is a journey. The beginning might seem slow, but with determination and the right strategies, you're sure to succeed.